So yesterday something really scary happened. My friend called me like 10 times in the middle of the night, but I didn't hear because I was very asleep. And when I woke up, I was very worried because he didn't answer my call. And I went out. It was very cold, very dark. And I drove my car very fast. When I reached his house, it was very open and the floor was very wet. I was very scared. Then I saw him drinking water like nothing happened. And he told me his phone was very cold because it fell somewhere. And I was very angry and relieved. Yeah. Yaxshi, yomon emas. Javobbing ajoyib. Lekin bu IELTS speakingda 5-6 ballga tortishi mumkin. Buni sababi juda ham ko'p very so'zlari bo'lishi mumkin. Xo'sh, men senga hozir bu hikoya javobini qanday qilib 7+ IELTS speakingda yoki C1 levelda qanday qilib oshish yo'lini o'rgatishga harakat qilaman. Bu juda ham oson. Yaxshilab eshitib tur. Buning uchun sen very bilan ishlatgan so'zlaringni intensifying collocation, ya'ni kuchaytiruvchi iboralar bilan almashtirib olishing kerak bo'ladi. Masalan, very asleep, juda ham uxlab qoldi so'zini fast asleepga o'zgartiramiz. Juda ham qattiq uxlab qoldim. Very worried so'zini, ya'ni juda ham xavotirlandim so'zini worried sickga o'zgartirsak bo'ladi. Very dark, juda ham qorong'i so'zini pitch black so'ziga o'zgartiramiz. Very cold, ya'ni juda ham sovuq deyish o'rniga freezing cold ga o'zgartirsak bo'ladi. Yoki very fast, juda ham tezni lightning quick so'ziga o'zgartiramiz. Keyin very open, juda ham ochiq edi, ya'ni keng ochiq edi so'zini wide openga o'zgartirsak bo'ladi. Yoki very wet, juda ham nam edi so'zini sopping wet ga o'zgartiramiz. Yoki very dry, juda ham quruq degan so'zni bone dry so'zlariga o'zgartirsak bo'ladi. Yoki very scared, juda ham qo'rqib ketdim so'zini scared stiff so'zlariga o'zgartirsak bo'ladi. Yoki very angry, juda ham jahlim chiqdi degan so'zni rock hard so'ziga o'zgartiramiz. Yoki very new so'zini biza brand new, ya'ni juda ham yangi edi so'ziga o'zgartirsak bo'ladi. Xo'sh, shu so'zlarni speakingda ishlatsang, lexical resource, ya'ni so'z boyligidan juda katta ball olishingga yordam beradi va bu ma'noni juda ham precise, aniqroq qilishingga ham yordam beradi. Endi men senga hozir bitta hikoyani qanday qilib 7+ darajaga olib chiqishni aylantirib qo'yishga harakat qilaman. Yaxshilab eshitib tur. Well, I remember one night that I'll never forget. It was 2 a.m. and I was fast asleep, completely unaware that my phone had been vibrating non-stop. When I woke up, I saw 10 missed calls from my friend and I was worried sick. I rushed outside and it was pitch black and freezing cold, and I jumped into my car and drove off. It was lightning quick because when I reached his house, I just reached half the usual time. When I arrived, I saw the door wide open, and I was for a moment and wide open, and everywhere was sopping wet. And for a moment I was scared stiff, and I went inside to the kitchen and I saw him drinking water, like nothing had happened, and he told me he was just completely calm, and he was completely bone dry. And he told me that he uh, you know, his phone fell into the sink, and it was stone cold, and it won't turn off. I, I just stared at him with, uh, like, stared at him, and my face rock hard with frustration and relief. Yes. Wow. Manikidan ko'ra 200 martalab yaxshi chiqdi ustoz. Emotsiyaga to'la, juda ham tabiiy. Aynan shunday, xuddi ko'rib turganingdek, bu 6 baldagi speakingni 7+8 ga aylantirishni usuli xuddi shunday strategiya bilan ketaveradi. Very so'zingni kuchli bir collocation iboraga o'zgartirishing kerak bo'ladi. Uzun, qisqa gaplarni aralashmasidan gaplaringni, hikoyangni tuzishing kerak bo'ladi. Ikkinchisi, uchinchisi, ozroq detal, ozroq emotsiya qo'shishing kerak bo'ladi va hikoya aytish usullaridan ham ozroq qo'shishing kerak bo'ladi. Mana shu haqiqiy strategiya hisoblanadi. Qo'llab ko'r, ishlatib ko'r va albatta senga yordam beradi.